Hello YouTube, welcome to part 2 of my Marzocco Linea Mini series. If you missed the first video, click the link in the top corner to watch. After a month with the Linea Mini, I'm sharing some basic maintenance tips and my first upgrade, so stick around until the end of the video. When I first got the machine, I noticed a slight leak from the group head during shots. This usually is an issue with the gate gasket, so I decided to replace it with an original Marzocco silicone head gasket. To remove the old gasket, use a pick to gently pry out from the group head. Don't worry about damaging it since it's going to be replaced anyway. Marzocco recommends changing the gasket and shower screen annually, and since this is a used machine, it's time to start maintaining it from this point onwards. As you can see, the shower screen is also a bit clogged, with fine coffee grounds or other debris stuck in the mesh. Brushing it didn't help, so I opted for an aftermarket replacement. This is an EB Lab shower screen from IMS. In my experience, this screen performs on par with the original, perhaps even slightly better in terms of water dispersion. Let's install it and see how it goes. Insert the rubber gasket first, followed by the shower screen. The rubber gasket should sit right in a groove around the group head. Next, tighten the shower head screws and check for water dispersion. After tightening everything in place, I use the portafilter to lock it in. This helps to seat the gasket securely into the group head. Next up is the new weighing scale. My Timor scale has been acting up, so while waiting for a replacement, I picked up the Cube Coffee Scale Mini from Pt.2 Bomber. It fits perfectly under the portafilter and it's much more accurate. No more fluctuating numbers, and it comes with a rubber mat, which is a nice touch. If you flip the mat upside down, you can use the edge to rest your portafilter handle and weigh it before grinding into the basket. The size of the scale is almost the same as an Axia Luna, but the cost is probably 1/5. Now, for a pricier upgrade, a built-in shot timer integrated into the Marzocco brew paddle. This upgrade is from a company called Coffee Gadgets Studio, and I'll put a link in the description for those of you who are interested to check out further. The kit consists of a brew paddle with a mini display, a power converter box, and some extra cables and zip ties. This sleek addition allows for easy monitoring during brewing without needing a separate timer on the side. Installation is pretty straightforward, but a word of caution: always unplug your machine before working on it. Remove the top panel and locate the power box behind the machine. You'll need to connect two wires, positive and negative, by unscrewing the connections, inserting the wires, and screwing them back on. Once you're done connecting the power box, peel off the adapter sticky tape and secure it to the side of the casing. Next, you'll have to route the wires across into the front section of the brew group head. We are going to attach it with the brew paddle assembly later on. I used some zip ties to clean up the wiring while leaving a good amount of wire for the ribbon assembly later. Remove the original brew paddle by undoing the two screws underneath. The shot timer comes with a complete brew paddle assembly, so you'll need to swap out the original paddle. Although I forgot to film this part, I did replace the electrical ribbon off camera. This longer ribbon helps to prevent interference with the pedal's movement and avoid overbending. Simply remove the screen cover on top and the entire assembly will come off, revealing the ribbon clip on the circuit board. Next, I thread the ribbon through the gap between the brew pedal mounting bar and attach it to the assembly. Make sure the wire and ribbon have enough slack to move freely, or you could damage the ribbon. Now let's turn it on and see if it works. Finally, a tiny but fun purchase from AliExpress. This white mouth shot glass, it's cute, fits perfectly between the portafilter and scale and makes the brewing process even smoother. Now, with everything done, it's time to reassemble the machine, pull some shots, and enjoy a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to reply each and every one of you. See you in the next video.